Here's everything you need to know about Soft99's White Soft99 Wax. This is a fully synthetic formula in which we have combined the power of special cleaning powder with the shine and protection provided by classic waxes. White Soft99 Wax may surprise you right from the start. Although we classify it as a wax, the contents of the can are in the form of soft paste, which you are sure to appreciate while working. Inside the can you will find a classic sponge applicator. The application method differs from other waxes though. Take a little amount of wax from the can and get to work. Polish the wax in vigorously, but without too much pressure, in circular motions. Remember to work panel by panel, out of the sun, and only on cool parts. Once you're done working on the panel, wait 5 to 15 minutes for the wax to bond with the paint. Then you can start polishing. Remember, with white cast it may be difficult to see the white residue from the dried wax, emergence of which signals readiness to be polished. We recommend using a strong flashlight on the panel at the right angle. White Soft99 Wax offers you more than a classic wax and is also more durable than conventional all-in-ones or glaze-type products, lasting approximately 4 weeks on the paintwork after application. We hope you liked our How to Apply video. For more, check out our social media channels.